guys. So yeah, my job said at the end of July, they said that sometime in August they're going to be reevaluating all the contractors that they laid off. I don't know what the point of that was. You had a helmet on top of your head, why not just put it on your face? Yeah, so my job said they will be reevaluating all the contractors that they laid off. They're going to do that reevaluation in August. So it's the beginning of August now, so hopefully sometime soon I will hear back from them. Yeah, so whenever I do get to go back to work, it'll be like nothing happened. I'll just pick up where I left off. And pretty much resume everything. And yeah, so at the end of July, the extra money for unemployment has completely stopped. It was $600 a week, and they haven't renewed it. They haven't passed anything new yet. They were talking about doing $200 a month extra, but that hasn't been approved yet, which will work out to an extra like $50 a week, or like $40 after taxes. And that's, I don't know, I mean, that's not going to really help much. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully my job calls me back soon. That's what I'm really hoping for. Or not calls me back, brings me back on. That would be the most ideal outcome. But also I am selling my supermoto, the KDS ride. That was the last time I was going to ride it. It's all cleaned up now and ready to be sold. Spent a couple hours the other day cleaning it up. So I'll be selling that. One of my roommates, one of my old roommates actually, said he might buy it from me in September. But that's still like a month and a half away. So I don't know if I want to sell it now and maybe get my asking price, or wait till September and get my asking price. But I'll probably do one last video on it. It'll be like the last ride on that, and then that'll be it. The supermoto will be gone. Oh, and they're also talking about the group that does the KDS ride that everybody loves. They're also doing they're talking about doing a KDS part 2. So as soon as I know more information, I'll put it out. But that'll be really fun. I'll probably take this bike. And yeah, that'll be pretty fun to go to. The KDS ride is always a good time. And if they can, yeah, people after that ride were like, why don't we do this more often, more than just once a year? So everyone, they're admins of the group, one of the groups that they posted, and we're like, yeah, we'll consider doing KDS part 2. So yeah, that should be coming up soon, hopefully. Sometime in August, I would assume. And once I know more information, I'll definitely let you guys know. Selling the supermoto will definitely help me get by a little bit longer. And but the main thing would be to have my job bring me back on. That's the main thing I want. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. If you're interested in possibly buying the supermoto, leave me a comment or something, let me know. subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.